Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will do science subject lesson number 8 air. In this chapter we will learn air around us, living things need air has different names, properties of air, how air helps us, pollution of air. Air everywhere. We are surrounded by air. Air is all around us. It helps us to breathe and remain alive. It has no color, shape, size or structure. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. Here are some examples of how we can feel air. Boy playing a flute. Boy blowing a balloon. When we switch on the fan, air starts moving and we can feel the air. Some other examples are, we can feel air on a moving vehicle or when we run fast. We can also feel air when we place a finger under our nose. Air contains many gases. The two important gases are oxygen and carbon dioxide. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen. It can also be said as O2. When we breathe out, we take out carbon dioxide gas from our body. It can also be said as CO2. Living things need air. All living things need air. Plants and animals also need air to breathe. Fishes use the air in the water to breathe. They breathe with the help of their gills. Air has different names. When air moves very gently, it is called breeze. Fast moving air is called wind. When there is thunder and lightning along with wind or rain, it is called a storm. Now we will learn about properties of air. There are total 2 properties of air. Number 1 is air occupies space. We can understand this with an example. Take a balloon, blow air into it. What happens? Air fills up the balloon. Air has given the balloon its shape. Now we know that air takes up space. Another example of this is when the tire of your bicycle becomes flat, what do? You pump air into it, and this shows that air fills space. Second property is air has weight. Now we will understand this with an example. If we take one balloon filled with air and other without air, that is empty, and if we weight both the balloons, we can see that the balloon with air filled has more weight than an empty one. This shows that air has weight. Air helps us in many ways. Here are some examples. Air helps us to breathe. Wind moves the sails of boats. Wind moves the blades of the windmill. Air makes kites and parachutes fly. Pollution of air, that is making air dirty. Bursting of firecrackers pollutes the air. Smoke from vehicles, smoking, burning firewood, smoke from factories pollutes the air. What we have learnt? Air is all around us. Air helps us to remain alive. We cannot see air, we can only feel it. Depending on the speed with which air blows, air has different names: breeze, wind, and storm. Air occupies space and has weight. Air helps us in many ways. Thank you.